How to create a poll on Discord. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Discord. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. You can simply go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, search for the Discord right here. After searching for Discord, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. If you haven't updated, then you must update the latest version of Discord. Since it's updating, I'll show you the steps how you can create a poll on your Discord. So there are pretty many ways of creating a poll on Discord by using an external bot or using external bots like Simple Poll Bot or Dynabot. So one step is to open Discord on your web app. After you do that, you can simply install Discord on mobile, desktop, and sign in and log into your Discord account if you already have it. Now, you can simply select your server. Select the server in which you want to create the poll. Any kind of server you can choose. For example, here my server name is dummy. It shows right here. So you can create or choose your own server there. After creating and choosing your server, select a channel. Decide whether you want to create a dedicated channel for the poll or use an existing text channel. Now, creating a next channel, a new channel, create the plus next icon text channels. Select the channel type and enter a name for the channel, example poll. Create the channel now. After creating the channel, you will see a screen like this. Now convert an existing channel to a poll channel. After you do that, select any existing text channel where you want to conduct the poll. For example, doubts channel. Create the poll question and post it on the channel. Now type the poll question and add emojis in it, and it will be acted as a reaction poll for all the Discord members right there. So this is how you can create a poll on the Discord channel by using the emojis as well. You can also create a poll in Discord by using the poll board by following the following steps right here, and there are many other ways how you can create a poll on Discord as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.